Hey guys, I'm back at Homestead, and today we're back at the railroad crossing here by Gold Coast Railroad Museum, and this is an updated version from the last time I was here. And as you can see, nothing's changed. The lights are still folded up, the gates are removed, everything. But what I like to show is stop sign's not there anymore. And from a video I saw, they mow the whole tracks all the way down there. And for some reason they just left it this way, and now it's growing again. Wow. I don't know where that came from. Looks like that side is becoming abandoned, as I figured the last time I was here. Well, I'm not really sure if this crossing is going to get renewed or not, but I'm guessing, as I thought they were going to be putting this track back to life again, but it turns out I don't think they are. So I'm guessing this crossing is going to remain abandoned. So, because from what I've seen, not much has changed. Well, anyway, looks like a drone. But anyway, this was just a little update. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and like my videos. Bye-bye.